Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing. This is 5 hectares clean title. Meaning ang husband and wife is still alive. So, it's a rice field guys, unirrigated. Dili ni siya irrigated but it is along the river. Small river kana kanang mga kuandana no. So, mana siya guys. Then this is around 1 kilometer from airport in Ubay. So kanang airport nila guys, kining airport sa Ubay, doon na sila plano or naana na groundbreaking na sila sa himuon nga murag flying school ana diha guys. So meaning pwede naman igdi nimo ni basakon guys, i-convert nimo og commercial or pwede rin hapon agricultural with a house. Abot pa ni nga to sunahan. Tay murag green t-shirt. So di maklaro. So may naka-advantage ani yuta guys. So along ni siya sa river, diyan ang river dire. So meaning na may river guys, just in case no mapikhan ka og tubig, pwede ka mag kuan na lang, mag water pump, gamit kag water pump. See, ibabaw gandir gamay kay maubos-ubos. So 5 hectares or 50,000 square meters. Sirado gyud guys, wagi si kapin. 250 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So 250 pesos mga 10 million kapin, 12 million. Pero negotiable man. So okay ra kayo guys. Magkahangyo ay. Willing man si seller mo baligya. Mura siyang naibabaw diri gamay oh. So the river, wagid ni mo busay og kuan, tubig. So meaning nindot kayo. This is located in Barangay Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. Actually owners are not around in Ubay already. They are living in Cebu no. So mao na guys. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay. Then thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Otrohon na to no. Repeat. 50,000 square meters clean title located here in Barangay Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. Ubay is a first-class municipality of Bohol Province, northern part of Bohol Province, soon to become a city because nana may mga malls there guys, nana gipabarog. Then napon ni seaport for Cebu. So nindot kayo ang Ubay. It's a peaceful place. Then majority are agricultural. Then it has 45 barangays. O, dagan kayo. So nindot. So daghang mga nagtanaw po dire. Actually mo abot pag ginig mga more than almost 100 hectares ni siya tanan o buton naon guys, pero ari lang tamo focus sa 5 hectares. Okay, thank you again, God bless. So mo ni ang eskwelahan guys, murag Baiso ba or Bohol State College. Mo ni ang kuan sa Ubay no, na sila college. kolehiyo sa gobyerno na kumunim na mo kitawag Baiso. Bohol Institute, sabay State University, basta State University ni guys. Then proceed ta. So mo ni ang gamon nga flying school guys, kining airport sa Ubay, yan diri sa Kamambugan, barangay Kamambugan. So napoy nag-comment ani sa akong kuan nga 1944 pa kuno ni gihimo, pero pagyod. So siguro na naman kay murag kuan maning Gob Aris, nag groundbreaking to sila dire. So mao na to atong ipangtan-aw no property dire dapitan, aga ni eskwelahan dire oh. Dire dapitan na ang fire. So managyod. So paingon na gini mo improve nya atong ipangtanaw dito katong moabot og almost 100 hectares no, or 100 hectares plus gani kung imo i-consolidate yung tanan. Katong primero 5 hectares from here around 1 kilometer, o katong 3 hectares pwede ra mag individual tato guys. Asay palito nimo ato 5 hectares o 3 hectares yan apoy 1.7 katong dito kung giingon 2 million. Then diha po toy isa katong magpili ka na 13 hectares nga tag 200, o katong 20 hectares o katong 30 hectares nga pwede rin na ipakapin ang 2 hectares. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.